Hi mga ka-explorers! I'm JM, sharing my life as a teacher, event stylist, DIY creator, foodie, tutorial maker, and fun lover. Life's too short not to explore. Tara, explore with me! Disclaimer muna, hindi ako fluent mag-Tagalog. At some point, may punto o accent talaga yung pagsasalita ko since I was born and raised in Bicol. And impronto tong voiceover na to. Actually, first time ko. So, okay lang yan. What matters is, ma-share ko sa inyo yung journey ko. So, backstory time. JM event started around 2020 to 2021. Kasagsagan ng pandemic. First gig ko was actually a binyag. Wala pang bonggang materials noon. Pero I gave my best shot. And surprisingly, nagustuhan talaga ng client. Dahil doon, na-discover ko rin yung iba ko pang talents and skills like makeup, photography, even hosting. Kaya masasabi ko dapat willing ka talagang ma-explore kung ano-ano. Who knows? Baka doon mo mahanap yung next passion mo. So from there, nagkaroon ng bouquet surprises, birthdays, Mother's Day setups, and even church weddings. Actually, debut, kahit anong okasyon na kailangan ng skills at ng talent natin, di ba? Kasama ko friends, family ko of course, sa journey. And kahit minsan limitado yung budget, we made it work. Over time, na-level up ko rin yung designs, storyboard, letters, unicorn themes, cocomelon parties, you name it. Hindi man perfect, pero every event became a learning experience. For now, brief intro lang muna to. Sa susunod na video, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung iba mga posts and decorations na upload ko sa FB page ko, which is JM Events, yung FB page ko, and my YouTube channel. Don't forget, JM Explorers with S. So if you're into creativity, celebrations, or just want good vibes, make sure to stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's grow together. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Peace out.